Pycnogenol is a patented French maritime pine bark extract, and it's one of the most multi-targeted ingredients in the Reset formula for overnight vascular repair and antioxidant defense. Your endothelium, the cell layer lining every blood vessel, silently degrades under chronic stress. Oxidative damage accumulates faster than your body clears it, and NF-kappa B inflammation doesn't stop at bedtime. Overnight is the only repair window. Pycnogenol's procyanidins are metabolized into the bioactive metabolite M1, which concentrates in endothelial cells. M1 activates eNOS, suppresses NF-kappa B inflammation, and triggers NRF2 antioxidant defense, while intact procyanidins stabilize collagen in vessel walls. In a controlled trial of 55 subjects, 100 milligrams daily reduced plasma free radicals by 30% in 5 weeks. Lutzi then showed an 18% cognitive composite improvement in 77 subjects over 8 weeks. Attention, memory, and mental performance all improved. Erici demonstrated significant flow-mediated dilation improvement, a direct endothelial function measure, at 100 milligrams daily over 12 weeks in 93 subjects. Belcaro then confirmed cerebrovascular protection in 68 subjects, reduced brain edema, and preserved cognition under circulatory stress. Reset delivers the exact clinical dose, 100 milligrams of pycnogenol per serving, manufactured by Horfag Research. The M1 metabolite has a 6 to 8 hour half-life, covering the critical deep sleep window when vascular repair peaks. Inside the Reset formula, pycnogenol works alongside Avalome DHA for vascular membrane repair, Levagen PEA for dual NF-kappa B suppression, and S-acetylglutathione for multi-compartment antioxidant layering, a coordinated overnight defense system. Pycnogenol delivers system-wide overnight protection. It enhances cerebral blood flow through eNOS activation, resolves inflammation via NF-kappa B suppression, upregulates antioxidant defense through NRF2, and structurally reinforces vascular architecture while you sleep. Pycnogenol gives you multi-target vascular defense, validated across 4 clinical trials, overnight metabolite coverage through deep sleep, and the exact clinical dose in every serving of Reset. Read the full Pycnogenol deep dive on the Primacy blog. Link in the description.